to go long. It's also extremely spready and whippy. I'd rather, I mean, if we were going to do that, I would just do shop. In fact, let's quick look at shop. I think I'm just going to go long BA today. One quick trade and out. So it's kind of interesting because after this today, I'm going to be in 3 longs, 3 shorts. Again, we could have a rally today into tomorrow, then fall off a cliff to the end of the week. Like, I don't think the rally that we're seeing here this morning continues whatsoever at all. So, like, I mean, it could continue for one day, but Trump made up a new deadline now for tomorrow. So if you think this is just going to go la, 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 up to the highs, no, it's not going to happen that way. So again, don't get complacent with your trades. So one quick trade in this, in and out. And if for some reason this doesn't set up, to be honest with you, I don't think I'm going to do anything. I like Meta higher, which interestingly I saw yesterday at 660. Didn't see it in the morning. Saw it at 660 after I closed out the room and thought too long to take it. And it ran right up to 670. Like, I wish I had done it yesterday. But what are you going to do? So that's the way the cookie crumbles. So again, very few earnings this week. We'll look at what's out tonight and tomorrow when we're done. We're just looking at very selective things. Also, DG probably isn't going to open on time. I'm not going to contend with that. I'm going to contend with that today in my life. And I'm on TV today, this afternoon, so gotta have a quick day. So we can get BA up, so we can just get $1. Little baby BA. Okay. Okay, stop's going to be 211.50. Just got to wait. I thought about doing this yesterday. I talked about it in the room. I wish I'd done this yesterday. Just being extremely careful. Let's do 213 by 50. $213 by 50. Wait till it hits. There. Get it. Get the stop in. Let's see if we can just get it up. 214. That's all I care about. That's all I'm trying to get. Maybe 214 and a flush. Here we go. One quick one. This is working out perfectly with my schedule today. And then we'll talk about the market when we're done. Actually, let me look at the market quick right now. UNH is falling. UNH. UNH. I put it in the list this morning in the room. UNH. We could have done this. We could do it now. UNH. That's crazy. I'm just going to stay with this. But UNH. This is another one that we need to just have a one-day discussion about. The next day, we don't trade. The next day, we don't do anything. If there's nothing to do, we're going to go over this. All right, back around here to the BA, have to pay attention. If you didn't do it, you could do it again at 213. Let's look at everything quickly. This is just let this run up. 1230, 1240, 1250. One more push. One push, and a flurry up in this today, and I'm out of this thing. All right, back around to the BA. We could do this. We could still do this right here. I just really don't even know if I want to do another day trade here today. It's going to go. 304.50. Damn it. 304.50 if you want to do it, put the stop. Thinking about it too long. It's going. All right, I'm in this. This is slow, but it's fine. We should have done that UNH. I had it in the room. I had it in the room, ready to go. And again, we're in the puts, so we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to do too many things here. BA, one more push and a flurry. Where did we go? 213.22. That's fine. Here we go. BA, 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 BA. We get over 22 yet? No. Here we go, BA, flurry, 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 push, 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 up to 214. Come on. Really do have things to do. I got to get ready. I'm not ready. I'm on TV this afternoon. I don't want to be in this long. Come on, BA. Just go, go, go. Keep going. What did the target do? What did shop do? One more push, I'm going to get out of this. We can do it. We're almost there. We're almost there. Can you believe people are buying this today? Seriously, somebody's trying to buy this here right now. Again, this is like a week-long discussion if we ever have time to go over this. All right, is anyone still in this with me? I did not get out. I'm trying to get it up. I think it gets to 2:15 this morning for sure. I'm watching my time. It's 9:36. I didn't quite get to 12:30 yet in this. Almost got to 12:30 in Netflix. Kathy got out of it. Tom's in it. I understand if you want to get out of stuff early right now because this market is trying to figure out a direction. I think we're going to not continue further up. That's my take. But again, for now, we're in an uptrend. Oh, what happened to the DG? Oh, it worked. I didn't like it. It definitely opened late though, look. It didn't open on time, look. This was the open here, look. Look at that. I don't know about that. I'm glad we didn't do it. I'm not sure if I would have noticed that watching it if this didn't open right. This was the open here. Crazy. So again, we talked about this yesterday. I said the market looks dead, 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 dead. We were 100% red. And then we kind of just lollygagged around and then pushed up at the very end of the day with next to no volume whatsoever at all. And we're doing the very similar thing here right now. And actually, we were down this morning. If anyone paid any attention to anything this morning early, if you were up, we were down. Like, we were actually down a lot this morning, to be honest with you. So wherever this goes, pushes up over the high. One more push, I'll get out. If it doesn't get to 214, if it gets close enough, I'm going to get out. So 213.58 is the high. But this probably gets to 215 today. Like sometime this afternoon, this probably just goes do-do-do and goes up to 215. And this is one thing I think is on its own and doesn't need the market. Netflix on its own doesn't need the market. Meta is falling right now. But again, that's to be expected because of the move it had yesterday. I still think that's going to get to 700. Oh, we're going to fall asleep till this goes. Any quick questions from anyone about anything at all? We're having a good, solid start to June. Nothing to write home about. No big, fabulous, huge trades, but we're being consistent. We're chunking it. We're chunking it out. I think we had a low of the day exit on Apple yesterday. Literally. So, again, we're just baby stepping it into June. No one could have foreseen that Trump's going to come out with another deadline, which is tomorrow. And absolutely 100% expect volatility Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll go nowhere today, waiting for tomorrow. But it's like tomorrow we could just blow up. Like, meaning blow up, meaning crash between Wednesday and Thursday. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. I sent out the article last night if anybody read it. Here we go, BA. BA. Gotta get over 58. Here we do it. Is Tom the only one in this with me? One person's in this with me. Here we go. Brandon's out already. $55. 58. There's 58. There. That's what I wanted. There we go. Here we go. One more push. That was a nice little push there. We touched 74. Here we go. Hand of the button here. One more flurry, 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 flurry. I know it's going to get to 215 today, though, but not going to mess around. There. Boo! Here we go. Here we go. One more push, one more push, one more push. Almost there, almost there. And we're almost there. You could get out right now if you want. I'm trying to hang on. There. Out. Done. Nice. Solid. We are really starting out June very well. We're being so careful. Here, it's almost at 215. Don't mess around. Don't mess around with anything right now. Don't mess around with day trades. Don't mess around with options. Don't mess around with anything right now. Get out of trades when you're up. This market is trying to situate itself. And I think it's going to fall. Again, don't ask me why. It's just, I just think it does. Good solid trade. Tanya, now that's a silly question.